Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn new topic HLOOKUP and MATCH. We see in HLOOKUP, only in HLOOKUP we have only one data to look up, whereas HLOOKUP and MATCH we can look up two data. This is our row, the name of persons and the region, the places, the data. The HLOOKUP and MATCH will search both data. We look up the both data, then bring result. Here name of persons are in rows, whereas in solution the name of persons are in columns, whereas the region showing in column and here region showing in row. You see the Philips sale in West is 52. The Philips sale in West is 52. You see here the formula. We use HLOOKUP with match. How to do it? Let's do an example. We use formula here equal to HLOOKUP, bracket open, lookup value is Simon, range, we select the range and use F4 to fix the range, comma, match, bracket open, match north, comma, and range is this, F4 to fix the range, comma, 0, then bracket close, then comma, false. Yes. We see Simon sales in north is 12. Simon sales in north is 12. Our VLOOKUP value is B18. We have to fix B column because we have to copy and paste this formula in remaining cells. Therefore, we have to fix B18. We fix B column, and here in match C17, C17 we have to fix the column 17. This is our range. We fix the range C17. Okay. Now we just copy and paste this formula. You see the Edward sale in east, Edward sales in east 214, Edward sale in east 214. Let's see another Philips sale, Simon sale in south 14, Simon sale in south 14, Simon sale in south is 14. The purpose of use this formula, we have two data. In HLOOKUP we see only in HLOOKUP we see we have to look up only one data, whereas HLOOKUP and match we have to look up two data. This is example Simon and north. Okay, hopefully you understand this video, and if you have any query you may please comment us. Thank you so much.